Hello, here are some tips to get the best possible experience in your Zoom music workshop with Inspireworks. First thing, make sure you are wearing headphones. You're going to hear everything much better if you're wearing headphones. You can have some of the ones like I've got here which are going right in the ear, or you could be using some over-the-head ones like these ones, or even some earbuds. If you are using ones that have a lead to them, if you can, if the lead is long enough, do like I've done and put the lead over the top of your ear so then it goes down the back of your body. The lead is then not going to get in the way of your hands whilst you're drumming or playing an instrument. Then what you need to do, when you are in the Zoom meeting, if you go to the microphone icon down the bottom there and click the little arrow that's next to it, then go to audio settings. Then with the microphone, you need to, if you've got an external microphone, you need to select that there. And then what you also need to do is make sure you untick automatically adjust microphone volume. This is really useful if you are playing a musical instrument, because otherwise Zoom just gets very, very confused with all the different volumes. But you then need to make sure that this slider here is set to round about sort of 75–80% of the way up. Then go to the advanced settings, and then if you tick here, make sure that suppress persistent background noise is disabled, and do the same with suppress intermittent background noise. Then, this is what is really, really important. You need to make sure this is ticked. Show in meeting option to enable original sound from microphone. Now I know what you might be saying, but that is not there, because you see, if you've never done original sound before, this will not even be appearing on your screen. So if you've never done original sound before, this is what you need to do. You need to log into your Zoom account on your internet browser. Then what you need to do is you need to go to your settings, and then you need to go to in meeting advanced. And it's going right down near the bottom of this section. You will see it says allow users to select original sound in their client meetings. Make sure that is checked. Make sure that is turned on, because then when you do that, at the top of your screen up there, see top left, it says turn off original sound or turn on original sound. That little function isn't there if you haven't done that with the profile. You need to make sure it says turn off original sound, because that means you have then got original sound turned on. Because basically original sound is really important, because Zoom was never created to be able to play music together. That wasn't its original design. Its original design was to be able to have meetings, to be able to talk with other people. So it assumes that any musical sound is background noise, and it filters it out. It's really, really clever software. And it's really strange, because when you're playing an instrument, suddenly the sound of it's not there for everyone else. But if you make sure that original sound is turned on, then everyone else will be able to hear your instrument really well. So I hope these tips are really good and you can really enjoy your workshop with us.